Hello everyone, welcome back to Discoverico channel. My name is Rico and today I want to show you how to make Moody Switzerland preset on Adobe Lightroom. I think some of you may be wondering why I named it Moody Switzerland. Well, the reason behind it was that this preset really did a very good job in every photo of Switzerland that I have added. For example, you can take a look at the before after version, which I'm going to show you right now. Okay, so what do you feel about this preset after the preview just now? I'm not sure if everyone would like this preset, but I do believe that most of you should like this preset. So I don't want to take more of your time talking without showing the editing process, so let's jump right to the editing session. There are 8 photos that I have gathered from Unsplash.com, and I would go with the second photo, this one. First thing first, we need to do some basic adjustment like exposure, shadow and highlights. So let's bring down the exposure to minus 0.25 maybe, and then the contrast to plus 30, while for the highlights bring down to minus 14 maybe. Okay, shadow just bring up a little bit to plus 2, whites to minus 48, and blacks to plus 24. Okay, to enhance the moody vibes, we need to make our photo look fader, which is why I will bring down the clarity. Okay, minus 20, 21. And for the vibrance, we also bring down it to minus 19, and the saturation to minus 11. Now let's modify the line on the curve section. The first line is the Rgb curve. I will go with the usual standard S curve, but for this photo I will bring up this point a little higher than I usually do. The reason why I pull this higher because I want to make the photo looks fader. So, and for this one, just bring down a little, and at some point, okay, this one too. Next one is the red curve. In this curve, I would only add 2 points because I don't want to do any significant changes. Then the green one, I will also add 2 points. And the last one is the blue curve. Here I will put 4 points, but I would also drag this point to the right, just like the green one. So we have done the curve adjustment. Next, we are going to do adjustment on the hue, saturation and luminance. Let's start with the red one. Bring the hue to plus 29, saturation to minus 7, and luminance to plus 10. While for the orange one, let's bring it to plus 33, and then saturation to -15, and luminance to -26. Next is the yellow one. Bring the hue to -49, saturation to -61, and luminance to +12. Okay. Then the green one, bring the hue to -100, saturation to -43, and luminance to +13. I would say that the yellow and the green one are the key color to really change the whole atmosphere of this photo. As you can see, this photo is covered mostly by green and yellow color. And now for the aqua, bring it to +73, saturation to -74, and luminance to -25. Now for the blue, bring the hue to +27, saturation to -59, and luminance to -24. Skip the purple and the magenta one. And now we are on the split toning section. Let's drag the hue of the highlights to blue color, maybe 178, and bring the saturation to 9. Okay, and for the shadow, let's bring the hue to purple color, 320, and saturation, give it 5. Okay, let's keep the details, and then let's correction also, so to transform, and let's give some effect on vignette. So let's bring down the amount of the vignette to -35. This would really help the subject of the photo to gain more attention. And for the midpoint, keep it on 50, roundness to 30, feather to 65 maybe, and for the highlights, bring it to 50. Okay, and let's bring down the dehaze to -14 to make it look more faded. So now we have done the editing process. Let's try to apply this preset on the other photos. First photo, let's try it. Okay, and second photo. This one, the autumn season. Okay, this one. This one, and the last photo is a woman. Okay, well, I cannot say the left picture are not as good as the right one, because every person have a different taste. But as you can see, the mood of this photo completely changed from the before version. If you like this preset, you can download it via the link that I have put on the description below. If you have any requests or maybe some suggestion, please write it down on the comment. If you like this video, give a thumbs up, and If you would like to see my upcoming videos, consider subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next video.